Hi, I'm Grant Halloran. I'm the CEO of Orbis Global. Today we're doing a whiteboard session on digital asset management for marketing. Now, as you would appreciate, as a marketer you produce many thousands of campaigns over a year, and as part of that you produce a lot of digital assets. Now, the operative word here is assets. They have value and you need to protect them, store them and be able to reuse them and get benefit from them. So if you think about it, we've got lots of images and logos, lots of web content, video, audio, sales collateral, point of sale, copy that we produce for advertising, packaging, and in fact templates that we can reuse over and over. The production process itself produces so much of this stuff, and a lot of marketers concentrate on the actual production and then forget what to do with those master assets at the end of it. So digital asset management is a big part of MRM, and we're going to talk today a little bit about some of the key attributes to do that well. Now, if you're not presently doing that very well, I'd imagine that you've got a lot of your digital assets stored on network drives, or your agencies have got those, and it's really difficult and costly to get a hold of them. And when you've got multiple agencies and lots of different print suppliers and specialist digital companies these days, it's very difficult to have a sense of control over those assets that your company actually owns. So this really kind of comes to life a bit when you see the software, but I want to talk about some of the key attributes that you should be considering as a marketer when you implement a solution like this. The first attribute I want to talk about is access. This needs to be an online solution. It needs to be accessible by anyone that you choose, be it inside your organisation or your extended supply chain, anytime and anywhere. So your hotel lounge or the airport lounge, etc. These assets need to be reusable. So if you can't access them and we can't, reuse them, take an image, for instance, in a large format, we might want to use that for web. So the digital asset management solution should enable you to transform that asset and reuse it and get further value from it. The third point I want to make here is about repurposing. So I talked here about templates before. Being able to take production that you've done in the past, store it, and then be able to repurpose it, for instance, for local content, is really important, particularly today. We don't want to be wasting production money in this economy, and there's really no point in reinventing all the time. Over the last decade, you've produced a lot of great assets, and we need to be able to repurpose and reuse them. And final point I want to make for this session is about you taking control. You have, if you like, most marketers, you have a growing number of agency suppliers, particularly with the number of channels that you need to manage today. Taking control is about giving you supply chain flexibility. If you add agencies or you change agencies over time and you don't have control of those master assets, then you're going to give yourself a real headache in trying to retrieve the assets and then manage them into the future. So it's time to take control like other departments have already done. Like I said earlier, this really comes to life when you see the software. So what I'd encourage you to do is to request a demo, and we'll be able to show you at your computer via WebEx how the software works for you. It's really simple to implement. It's really powerful, and it gets value to your organisation really quickly. So please get in touch with us. Thank you.